There's a turtle.
It is way too big.
It's a turtle.
That is a turtle on top of the rock right there.
Yeah.
It's a turtle.
Is it affecting this turtle?
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle on top of the rock.
Well, get off the rock. I want to know if you're. If so,
It's alive. Head sticking out.
If you are
Feeling the
alive,
breeze and
turtle,
warming up in the
hang on,
sun.
let me say something.
If the turtle was not alive, its head would never stick out.
Alright. Why is the street so busy suddenly?
I have $25
At home, not here.
Yeah, that's great. We're not walking all the way back up here just because you want to grab $25 gain.
I don't want the game. I want the feeling.
Alright, that's good.
I play this.
There's the phone company. You got a complaint? Or the cable company? It's the internet. Got a complaint? Damn you, internet! It's the cable company.
Got a big sign on there that says things.
Does it? Which way do you want to go, Miss Ellie?
That's why my eyes hurt. Just trying to find the less traffic there.
Well, we're not going that way. We're definitely going this way or back across the street and home. We can probably get a soda if that's what you're really looking for. Even Ian can share a soda.
Soda?
Store out here in the middle of nowhere. I'm not going home to get a soda right now. How come cars want to turn at me just going across the street? There was nobody there 10 minutes ago. Oh, maybe because I probably should have pushed the button. I don't know.
On this side of the road, we'll walk a little bit farther past the area where we need to head back down to get towards home. We'll find, what's it called?
I don't know. What is it called?
The video game one.
Oh, yeah. Yep, that's down there.
I literally had the name in my head and now I forgot.
I can't promise you what we can get and what we can't get down here, Ellie.
I've gotten to take stand by and look down here before.
But also, most of the times I've been down here are because there's some special event going on where things are different. It's literally just normal downtown.
In a couple of weeks we'll be coming down for a local event, so 21st. Escape room. Yeah, quick, let's run. Leave Ellie here.
Yeah, we got to
I still want soda. I still want my fan.
Hold on.
What does that say?
says much towards backyard.
African-born and inspired art.
And has anyone cleaned it? Has anyone been in here and cleaned it?
Probably. Otherwise,
It's a private area anyway, or it wouldn't be locked out.
yeah.
Whereas at least it's not open, let's put it that way. Except it's If you keep saying it enough, maybe it will manifest in your hand.
What?
Yeah, that's not
Maybe
that
it'll
works.
the man
Something tells me it was much more nice down here when the street was closed last year and there was
What did I say?
nobody parked on the sidewalk and
What did my Fanta turn into the normal Fanta?
it's magic.
They should try to take a break every once in a while so you didn't stretch out the muscles of your arms until they were tiny little strings.
Should we do it here? Soda here or
Well, it is a dollar store, so
who says?
places do tend to have things that are within our small budget.
Do not enter. Welcome.
Wise advice at the moment. There's like 100 cars coming in this direction. Are they going to let us go through? Oh yeah. Oh, cool. I was wondering what happened to that courtesy, but hey.
Oh yeah, there it is. Chumley's.
Yep.
That's what it's called.
Let's go. We're just going to walk down here, then we're going to turn around and probably head back. This was a nice first tour of downtown. It was a lot nicer with the street closed. The lazy people that complained because they had to park behind the building instead of front of them made it so that they couldn't set the street this year. Yeah? All right.
I'm energetic now.
Huh? Happy Buddha.
Wait, why were there two sections of Gatorade?
Huh?
Why were there two sections of Gatorade? One section was $2. One was $1.
This takes us back to the water, right?
This does lead towards the water. And then we just head down that way. We'll find a way to the bridge. And then we just trace the rest of our steps back.
Yep. That'll take us home too. Bridge Street. See, people complained about having to walk around to get to Main Street last year when the street was closed all summer. So they won't close it this year. One would think they got a lot more foot traffic and a lot more people downtown when the vendors were in the middle of the street all the time.
Wait a minute, I just had to drink my Gatorade because I was opening it. Now let's do this. Let's drink my Gatorade bottle. Don't open it, just go.
I really don't.
have to keep your ears open for bicycles because there's sort of a bike trail going on here. And it's likely to drop because I get very dizzy going over bridges.
I get old and I don't even know if it's there. No spinning here.
What was going to do is mine has a cat.
Sit still. Here's the total. Now I tap because there's a seal. And a bottle.
Can't read that. I can't read that with my eyes. I'm sure they can't read that.
Well, I can't really read that.
A-I-A-M-I is all here.
R.I.P.
Somebody,
My something.
It looks like
Looks like someone's name. Who will be missed?
you know,
XOXOXO.
it's probably like a funeral. It's
There's
a
also
funeral.
R.I.P.
bye-bye, Gino.
I want to say.
No,
Why?
There's really no place safe for you to sit.
not really that safe.
I want to throw rocks.
It's a big giant river.
Probably better that you don't throw rocks in the river.
You know, the river that's inhabited by sea creatures. Birds, fishies,
There's
ducks.
different weird looking things.
There's not different.
There's a
last
turtle.
time, and it's way too big.
It's a turtle.
That is a turtle on top of the rock right there.
Oh,
Yeah,
Turtle.
is it affecting this turtle?
it's a turtle.
Oh, I see it.
The turtle on top of the rock.
Well, get off the rock. I want to know if you're. If so, I'm
It's alive. Head sticking out,
If you are
feeling the
alive,
breeze and
turtle,
warming up in the
hang on,
sun.
let me say something.
If the turtle was not alive, its head would never stick and out of its shell, and it would have probably fallen into the
Hey,
river and been
let me say something.
shot all the way
If
down
you
there.
move, I'm going to kidnap you.
Try and do that, it'll bite you.
All right, let's walk down.
I'll do it carefully.
We'll walk down a little bit more.
Think you are a nice tasty snack.
Maybe we'll see another turtle.
Baby doll.
Obviously, there's too much water for the sea monster to be
It's a
out.
baby.
Too much water, yeah. For now. I'm sure there will be a point soon enough.
I just look at the water. That's all. And we'll come back.
How much more grass in the water?
There's already enough grass in the water.
I want to cut that flower. I want to cut that flower.
It's made of it's on top of concrete.
Yeah, don't take it off.
Lawn mowing guys are taking a break.
How would it disappear? Like,
Is she at a phone booth? No, that can't be. I don't know.
could be. Could not. for turtles.
Yeah, the river's a little bit high.
Doesn't it watch 4 turtles and then like watch the 4 turtles or watch out
Lane's
for
watch
turtles?
for turtles.
Watch out for turtles.
What does watch for turtles mean for you, Ellie? They are not. There is not a V. They are not telling you to watch V for turtles. They're telling you to watch for turtles.
That's right. They don't want you to run over turtles. They cross to lay eggs and stuff too. And some of them are.
Similar pace to
You're pushing me to my.
We do have to. You don't have to push her that fast, but we do have to get home for dinner time.
You just pushed me to
It would be nice if we could beat your mother home from work. I mean, we don't have to, but it would be nice.
Bus.
Huh?
Bus.
You mean the bus fare you're holding in your hand right now?
No, the bus.
It's called Gatorade now.
I want to go on the bus.
Well, you want to know what you did instead of going on the bus? You got a Gatorade. Yeah, only when I make a point does it a break.
It only costs $3 for each of us to ride the bus, so.
Cost us $3.03 for each road.
And maybe Ian had a ticket on his phone, but
You can buy a ticket. You can buy 2 tickets.
I don't know if I do.
you need a credit card or something to buy tickets?
I mean, I wouldn't need one anyway if I had my wallet, because I could show them my school ID and then
Do you think the duck's not coming?
One last look at the turtle. If you don't drink it, if you don't want it, you shouldn't have got it.
the ducks already have their drink. It is the water. They live in it.
There's your turtle. Come on, guys. They're all wrestling to have that light change now. There we go.